We're going to review how to do Rinsada. Rinsada comes in a package. To start, you want to open up the pack, put the proximal end open to the sky, and what I like to do is to screw on the syringe onto the device rather than screwing the device onto the syringe. Then prime it by pushing a little bit on the plunger, getting some fluid out. Let's do the upper lid. Have the patient look down, create a pocket. Hold the lid up against the orbital rim, take that finger and push hard and fast down on the syringe to get a good enough jet. You'll do the same exact thing with the lower lid. Again, create a pocket by having the patient look up. Get the device underneath the lid, relax the retraction at this point, and then just push hard and fast on the syringe so the patient can keep their eye open or closed during the procedure. Let's look at a different angle. We want to use the finger to stabilize the device, but also we want the syringe to be as parallel as possible to the forehead, as parallel as possible or as close as possible to the cheek. That provides the best comfort for the patient. Now, we're done with the first syringe, let's switch to the other. Unscrew the device from the initial syringe and turn the syringe back onto the device, and then again, don't forget to prime. Let's look at a different angle. When I'm doing the upper lid, I like to stand above the patient. I'm holding the syringe, pushing down on the syringe with a good enough force to provide great jet. And then when I do the lower lid, I'm going to be beneath the shoulder, have the patient look up, get underneath the lid, and then again push hard and fast, using some Kleenex or tissues to catch the runoff. And that's it.